Okay, so we're over here on stout. I believe push my camera down into possibly the main. I'm gonna go locate. Yeah, I did locate this area. It does appear to be quite possibly in the main. It's in the alley. I'm gonna pull back. I think that this is the tap here. So I'm gonna go locate. And this is all underwater. Shouldn't be that way. Okay, I did locate this area in the alley. This looks to be at the tap just about, where the private line meets with the city line. And so I'm gonna start pulling it back. Try to see if I can get my camera cleaned off a little bit first. Pausing recording, I'll push it back to this point. And we can take a look at it coming back. Okay. So I did push the camera back in. You can see the tap right there. It's got some standing water, possibly from the main there. Got an offset right here in the clay pipe. More roots. Crack in the pipe here with roots. Another offset and crack along the top of the pipe. Here's a Y. I'm not sure what purpose it serves, but I did locate it in the backyard at the fence line. Marked it with the purple flag, and I will take photos. Chunk of the pipe is missing right here. Crack in the pipe right there on the bottom. More roots right there. Let's keep going. Another crack in the pipe there. And all of these are going to be located in the backyard. I confirmed locations of everything. Another crack in the pipe there. So the pipe exits from the mudroom, goes under the deck, then just goes straight out the back into the alley. Another crack in the pipe there. Just a lot of structural concerns with this pipe. Another small crack. Another crack. Another one. Another crack there. Here's a Y. This could be for the kitchen line before it was rerouted inside of the basement. Keep coming back. So the pipe does have a pretty big crack and hole in the pipe here. Another crack there. So yeah, the pipe is pretty beat up. And there's our repair we made. So I will send pictures of the locations of things, and I'm going to come up with a quote for a replacement. I believe a replacement's absolutely warranted here because just the sheer amount of structural integrity concerns that I have with this, with all the cracks, chunks of pipe missing in some spots. Yeah, I would definitely have some reservations about putting this into service. Thank you.